Hey, it's Mark Weiss. Let's talk about preparing your business, your practice for sale. You know, people, when they go to sell their house, they generally think about, well, maybe remodeling the kitchen. Certainly painting it inside and maybe out, fixing up any obvious defects. But many people don't think about doing the same thing in connection with the sale of a group or of a healthcare facility that you might own. But the same rule applies. First of all, you want to make it, and this can take time, can take more than a year. You want to make it as attractive as possible to a buyer. If there are potential problems with compliance, you want to clean them up. If there are potential problems with disruptive physicians, you want to clean those up. If there are problems with collections, you definitely want to clean those up. If there are problems with your staffing in terms of right sizing your practice, whether these people are disruptive or not, different issue, you want to take care of that. You want to do whatever you can do to make your business as shiny and new appearing, as successful as possible, as attractive as possible in order to attract a buyer. Now, buyers are going to do their own due diligence, and part of your grooming is going to be to catch problems before a buyer does, catching you off guard, and therefore, I guarantee you, pushing down the purchase price, due diligence being a euphemism for pushing down the purchase price. But you also want to do this to attempt to drive the highest price, to attempt to get more than one party interested in acquiring your whatever it is, so that you have more options. Look, if you'd spend time and money fixing up your house before a sale, why wouldn't you do the same thing with something that's even more important to you, your practice or your business?